So, welcome back to another Ames Bakes! Today we are making, drumroll please, ice cream! What's different about this ice cream? That it has no dye. And we're not using an ice cream maker. We're using, it's homemade. And what I'm really excited about, because we're making my mom's favorite flavor, dun dun dun, cinnamon! To make dairy-free ice cream at home, you'll need dairy-free heavy whipping cream and dairy-free sweetened condensed milk. And then you use a hand mixer to mix it all up.
Let's get started.
My brother said it. I'm pouring mine in first. It kind of looks like milk. You can now put it in. Yeah! Now we use the hand mixer to mix it together. But first I need to tell you, this kind of looks like silly string mixed up with milk.
Put the vanilla and cinnamon in.
He means vanilla and cinnamon. It looks so cool. When it's done, it should almost look as thick as whipped cream. Then you're going to transfer it into a Tupperware bowl, and then put it in the freezer for at least 8 hours. Before we put it in a Tupperware bowl, you know what we're going to do. Taste it. Taste it. You should try this at home.
We are trying this at home.
Watching this video.
Yes.
Now it's time to put it in a Tupperware bowl. Mommy's going to help us. Whoa! I don't think that's gonna. Whoa! Oh, it smells so good. I wish we could lick the spoon, the giant spoon. One lick.
Now we're gonna go put it in the freezer, and then we're gonna taste it tomorrow.
Oh wow, this is actually hard to scoop.
Oh yeah, it is. Mom, you're gonna love this.
Mommy's gonna love this.
Good. Happy Ames Bakes! And thank you for letting me join Ames Bakes with you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
See you next time.
No.